Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily make Chinese Hunan Tofu. It's pan-fried tofu in a delicious sauce that's just packed with umami. Here's everything you'll need. 200 grams of tofu, 1 tablespoon of Doubanjiang, 1 teaspoon of fermented black beans, 3 garlic cloves, 2 scallions, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and of course some oil. And for the sauce, you'll need 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black vinegar, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 70 milliliters of water. First, pan-fry the tofu slices in a good amount of oil over medium heat until they're golden brown on both sides. Then remove the tofu from the pan and set it aside for now. Next, let's mix the ingredients for the sauce. Just stir together the rice wine, soy sauce, black vinegar, sugar, and water in a small bowl. Now, mix the cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. This is your slurry. And finely chopped the black beans. Heat up a bit more oil in the pan over medium-high heat. Add the chopped garlic, ginger, and scallions, and stir-fry for about a minute. If you want it spicy, now is the time to also add some fresh chilies. Then add the chili bean sauce and chopped black beans. Give it a good mix and let it fry for about 30 seconds. Now, pour in the prepared sauce and add the fried tofu back into the pan. Stir everything together and bring it to a quick boil. Finally, stir in the cornstarch slurry. Let it cook for another moment until the sauce thickens up a little. It's best to serve the tofu with rice. To finish, garnish the whole thing with some fresh scallions. Enjoy!